The iframe tag genuinely embeds an entire real separate web page inside the current one, like a real window into another site. In this video you'll embed a real working iframe. src genuinely points to the real embedded page's URL, width height genuinely set the actual visible frame size. Title genuinely provides a real accessible description of the iframe's content for screen readers, important, often forgotten. Sandbox genuinely restricts what the real embedded content is allowed to do here, only actual scripts, nothing else, a real security measure. Iframe tag genuinely embeds another real page inline. Title genuinely provides a real accessible description for screen readers. Sandbox genuinely restricts what the real embedded content can do for security. Embed a real iframe with an appropriate title attribute. Ready to draw real graphics directly with the canvas element?